Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my dear and lovable students. I am delighted to share my knowledge with others to the use of technology. My dear adoring students, if you have previously learned the subject from others and are doubtful, simply uninstall what you have learned and concentrate on what we are about to teach you. My dear students, I am about to teach you the subject of accounting. Our subject accounting is divided into five branches. Number one, financial accounting. Number two, cost accounting. Number three, management accounting. Number four, social responsibility accounting. Number five, human resources accounting. We will learn in depth in future classes what is cost accounting, management accounting, social responsibility accounting, human resource accounting. Dear students, stop the video and leave your answers in the comment section. What is the purpose of financial accounting? Before we begin studying any subject, we must first understand its purpose. What is the purpose of financial accounting? What is the purpose of studying cost accounting? What is the purpose of studying income tax? What is the purpose of studying economics? What is the purpose of studying business laws? There are primarily two objectives of studying financial accounting. Number one, to find out the financial performance of the business. Second one, to find out the financial position of the business. What are the two objectives, Nana? One is to find out the financial performance of the business. Second one is to find out the financial position of the business. What is my financial performance? Financial performance means finding the profit or loss of the business. Finding the profit or loss of the business. Financial position. Financial position means assets or liabilities of the business. Finding the assets or liabilities of the business. A question may arise in your mind, sir, who will calculate a company's profit and loss? If we become expert in the subject, we can calculate the company profit and loss of any business. A chartered accountant is a person who specializes in accounting. My dear students, keep in mind that financial performance and financial position are not one and the same. Both are different. Sir, we understand the objectives of financial accounting and who is able to calculate company's profit and loss. Could you please explain how profit is calculated? The procedure we use in this accounting subject to ascertain the profit and loss or assets and liabilities is called accounting process. Let us take a look at the accounting process. Transaction and other events, journal, ledger, trial balance, journal, ledger, trial balance, final accounts, trading, profit and loss account, balance sheet. What is the process? Transaction, other events, journal, ledger, trial balance, final accounts. Who is Tesla Motors CEO? Elon Musk. Assume you met Elon Musk and ask him, Anna jara cheppara ade, why is it important for every business owner to be aware of the profitability of their company, and why every business owner is interested in numbers? Cheppanna. Elon Musk response, తమ్ముడు తగ్గేదేలే, మొత్తం చెప్తా ఇను. Profit and loss account is prepared to find out the profit or loss of the company. Let's say we are preparing profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2022. We are preparing an extract P&L. Particulars, amount in rupees. Assume my income end is 10 crores and my expenses are 4 crores. I made a total profit of rupees 6 crores. As a result, when determining whether my profitability is good or bad, we should take into account a number of other factors. Sarana must చెప్పిన, thank you very much. The profit and loss account reflects company's financial performance over a specific time period. Now, let us look at the 4 main reasons why every businessman is interested in their performance. Number 1, decision making. Number 2, comparison. Number 3, rate of return. Number 4, tax liability. Number 1, decision making. Whether to continue or close the business, expand or downsize branches based on the business profitability. As a result of the pandemic or COVID, most business owners have reduced the size of their branches and closed them. Even if the business is not operating, they have paid the rents, and as a result, the majority of them have closed or downsized their branches. Second one, comparison. Under comparison, there are 3 types of comparisons. Number 1, intra-business comparison. Number 2, inter-business comparison. Number 3, pattern business comparison. Intra-business comparison means comparing our current year profit to last year profit. Means within, like our academics, last year you got in foundation you got 300 marks, in intermediate you got 600 marks. So comparing yourself. Let's say profit and loss account for the year ended. Particulars. Let's take 2 years comparison. Let's say this is the extract profit and loss account of accounts portal. Particulars in 2022-2023. Profit for the year ended. So in 2022 we got 1000 crores profit, and 2023 we got 1200 crores profit. So we are comparing ourselves. So last year is 1000 crores profit, current year is 1200 crores profit. Means inter-business means within. Comparing ourselves. Next one, inter-business comparison. Comparing our current year profit to that of our competitors. What nana? Between. Comparing our current year profit to that of our competitors. It's like comparing your marks with your friend's mark. So, wow, in accounts I got 95, my friend got 98 marks, like that. So, in business, let's say Tata is comparing its current year profit with Audi, or Audi is comparing its current year profit with Tata Motors. Next one, pattern business comparison. Pattern business comparison. Comparing our current year profits to the industry average profit in similar business. Assume there are only 4 mobile brands players in the market. One is Apple, Samsung, Google, OnePlus. Let's say Apple current year profit 9,000 crores. Apple current year profit, 1000 crores, 9,000 crores, 8,000 crores, 7,000 crores. So, average profit 1000 plus 9,000 plus 8,000 plus 7,000 divided by 4. What is the average profit, Nana? 6,250. So, which company is making good profits? Samsung, Oppo, OnePlus. But in practically, Apple is making more profit. Just as an example. Next one, third one, rate of return on capital. Assume you invested rupees 5 lakhs in a business and earned a profit of rupees 1,50,000. You're curious about the rate of return on capital. 5 లక్షలు పెట్టాను, ప్రాఫిట్ 1,50,000 వచ్చింది. సో ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ లాభం వచ్చిందంటారు? So to find out the rate of return, so example what, 5 lakhs you invested, profit 1,50,000. So rate of return on capital is calculated profit divided by capital into 100. So how much profit you got? 1,50,000 divided by capital 5 lakhs into 100. So what is the percentage of the profit you got? 30%. 1,50,000 divided by 5 lakhs into 100. You get 30%. Next one, fourth one, tax liability. Tax liability is a payment made to the government by a business. Sir, is tax paying it is mandatory or optional? Tax paying is mandatory in India. It's not optional. In general, when a profit is made, there is a tax. Sir, if there is a loss, even you have to pay tax? No. If there is a loss, there is no tax liability. If there is a profit, sir, 1 rupee profit, you have to pay tax on 1 rupee only. Sir, 100 crores profit, you have to pay tax on 100 crores. So, in detail, we'll learn in income tax subject. Second question, why do business people want to know their financial position? To know their financial position, we have to prepare the balance sheet. So, balance sheet is prepared to know the financial position. Let's prepare a balance sheet. Balance is result of 2 elements. One is asset and other one is liabilities. The left hand side will write liabilities and the right hand side will write assets. So what do you mean by assets? Assets are nothing but Owned or receivable. Let's say you'll say, I owned a bike, I owned a tractor, I owned a car, I owned a building, I owned a cash, gold. So, say no, you'll say to your friends, అరే మాకు బిల్డింగ్ ఉన్నాయి, కార్లు ఉన్నాయి, బైక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మా అమ్మకు 3 kgs గోల్డ్ ఉంది, ఇలా చెప్తారు కదా. అసెట్స్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఓన్డ్ ఆర్ రిసీవబుల్. Next one is liabilities. Liabilities means payable or obligation to pay. ఇప్పుడు మన పర్స్ ఇస్తే మన పర్సులో మనీ లేవు. Not even a single NP is there in our wallet. But we want to purchase something. Assume that. So what we have to do? We take a loan from our friends or relatives. So even cash is not there with us. If you're a credit card holder, you swipe the card. But you're liable to pay to the bank. Obligation to pay to the bank. Liabilities means obligation to pay. Liabilities means obligation to pay or payable. So assume that Tata assets are 1000 crores and liabilities are 6000 crores. What are the net assets, Nana? 10,000 crores minus 6,000 crores. So 4,000 crores. So is Tata's assets are sufficient to pay the liabilities. Tata's solvency is strong because its assets are sufficient to cover its liabilities. So in future classes we'll learn in depth what is solvency, what is insolvent, what is debt. We'll enjoy. But we should have a little bit patience. As an introductory class, I'm trying to say in layman language only. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ కొట్టండి, వీలవుతే షేర్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే లావ్ అయిపోతారు. Let us prepare a stick notes or summary notes what we have learned today. Two main purpose of financial accounting are: one is financial performance, second one is financial position. Financial performance and financial positions are not one and the same, both are different. Next one, financial performance. Why? What are the 4 main reasons? One is for decision making, second one is comparison, third one is rate of return, fourth one is tax liability. And why? To know the financial position, what we'll prepare? We'll prepare balance sheet. Why balance sheet is prepared? To find out, to know what are the assets, what are the liabilities, or what are the solvency position of the business. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lecture, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive all updates, and please share with your friends. If you're looking for a specific topic or chapter to be taught, please let us know in the comment section.